Morning, class 8. How are you guys doing? I guess you guys are doing good and safe and sound and taking care of yourselves. So today is Wednesday. I'm recording this video for you for tomorrow. That's on the 17th. That's Thursday. Your SST. Please go through this. This is all about agriculture. We are going to start. And best of luck for your exams. Just go through your syllabus which was given to you. Go through the chapters and it's MCQs. So if you know your chapter, whatever option comes, you will remember. Yes, I read that. So this is that it is all about. It's not just the question answers part. So remember that, and grammar is also going to be a bit of twist. It's very normal, but it's a twist. Sometimes it's there in the book, but I've changed the system of it. Whatever the same writing, I've just given a twist to it, and there are four options you have to choose from there. Okay, so it's going to be easy and good. So that's going to boost your confidence as well. Always doing something which and doing something and getting it right which you didn't know. Okay, that's also a very great issue which is going to really help you out. And after all, you've got four options, you've got 40 minutes. Just be casual. You have to be you have to focus. Your mind should be on that right then. Don't look at that watch of 40 minutes. Don't look at that timer, please, because the timer is not going to help you. Your brain is going to help you. So you have to focus on the questions and calmly and quietly, because you can go back. If you think that you have done something wrong, you can go back, but I will advise you not to go back. By chance, if the net goes off or something, you will be in a very big stuck. So what the thing is, you take time, take 3 seconds each, 25 questions. Even if you take 2 seconds or 3 seconds each, it won't be a matter for you, not a problem. So just see the question, see that whatever is written, don't think it's going to be a question. It can be a statement with a blank, and the options will be there inside also. Okay, so you have to be very careful in reading that part, which is going to this exam is really going to help you, and it's going to prove that I'll be able to know that you guys who are studying and who is not studying. So it's not all about question answers at the back of the book. So this is going to be, in your further life also, when you go ahead and when you go out after school also, there's objective type and MCQs. It saves time, but it's a brain rattler, so you have to study for that. So if they say, okay, you read this chapter and come question answers from the back, everyone will rut. They will do it by heart. But if they say, okay, this chapter is there, MCQs from here, so then you are going to read that chapter. Okay, like agriculture. If you know what is agriculture, you don't have to go through the question answers. You know what is agriculture, you know what are the types of farming, you know what is subsistence farming, you know what is climatic conditions affect farming or agriculture. You have to basically know what is the difference between agriculture and farming. That's the first point in the place of your chapter, where it's going to clear everything in your mind. Farming is different and agriculture is different. Agriculture is getting the place ready, and farming is after you produce something out of it. It's as simple as that. So you have to use your brain, you have to culture your brain, you have to feed your brain. And how will you feed your brain? It's like feeding your brain is only reading it. Okay, reading it, eating properly, sleeping properly, thinking properly, being with the right people, being with the right group, and thinking positive will always feed your brain positively. But if you constantly think that, oh, I'm going to do this chapter, oh my god, my friend is playing there PUBG and that game Free Fire, and doesn't have any issue. Even if PUBG is banned, there are other games. But listen, I am not against PUBG. I am not against any game. I am not against games. I am not against sports. I am not against anything. Everything has a time, perfect place, and a perfect spot to do it. Right? You cannot have dinner in the morning and you cannot have breakfast at night. So it's like that. It depends upon how you're going to do it. But all are food. So you cannot have a bread and butter at night, and yes, if you get into the habit, you can have it. If you get into the habit, you can have it at night, but it depends upon how that system is going to work, right? Like suddenly if you go into South Indian food right now, you want me to do South Indian food, right? If you go into Punjabi food, you won't be able to do it right. If you go into Marwari or Gujarati food, it's not done. We have to go with the food which runs in Bihar. We have to go with the timing which the culture follows here. Agriculture and culture, everything goes together. Nature and signature, the nature and signature does not change. Your signature cannot change. If your signature changes, the bank is going to not give you money out, or your documents will not go through, or if you have any legal issues, your signature won't work out. And that's why you Facey Smile signatures are taken on your data banks, like your voter ID card or your Aadhaar card or your license, your PAN card, so that signature is valid. So nature cannot change and signature, climate can change, but nature cannot change. So nature and signature cannot change. So if you want to change that, then you are going to, I guess you have to change the whole universe. So you have to go with the flow, right? You cannot have everything twice. And you can't have butter on both sides of the bread, your fingers get dirty. And now if you'll argue, you'll say that I can have butter on both sides of my bread, but you need another slice of bread, you'll have, but you can't have it on both sides. You always have to have a support underneath it, so otherwise your fingers will get dirty. So life is all about that. You have to study. You guys thought that it's going to, easy, everything, school is not going to open now. All the news is saying this, that, I don't know, this online class is rubbish, these teachers are uselessly wasting their time. And now when the exam has come, I guess, I understand you, I have been through this child psychology, I have passed this age, I have been a child, I have not become like this. So I have not just come in out of magic at this part of my life. So across, so now you are a bit tensed, isn't it? Like, what's going to happen, what's not going to happen? Yes, this is serious, you didn't take it seriously, it's your fault. And those guys who have taken it seriously, they are casual, they are going to just go through it. And this is not the end of the world, so everything is going to change. But you have to be reliable, you have to be disciplined, you have to be in a routine, you have to change yourself. You just can't take life so easily. Life is tough. And how is life tough? Ask your parents, they'll tell you. They'll explain everything all about life, what is life all about. It's not dairy milk silk chocolate or something. It's not so easy. Even dairy milk silk chocolate takes a lot of time to be made. It does not come instantly. Okay, so it's like that. So I'll come back in the next video and we'll start this agriculture part. So I'll just give you a brief information about it, like what is agriculture, what do you understand by agriculture. Like in my part, if I say agriculture is no, first I'll tell you what is agriculture. Is a science of cultivating plants, of making plants and livestock. But we have this thing inside our thing, we have got agricultural land, on which you can do something, on which you can cultivate. But farming refers to growing plants and crops. Farming, you grow crops and plants on that land, and it is also a part of agriculture, whereas agriculture deals with cattle and farming both. Okay, it's a cultivation, it's a science and art of cultivation of plants, cultivating plants and livestock. It's a key development in the rise of human civilization, whereby farming of domesticated species created food surpluses and that enabled people to live in cities. And it's begun thousand years ago. Okay, agriculture. Now we have different types of agricultural methods. It includes the preparation of a plant and animal products for people to use and their distribution to the market. It controls the economic system. So we're not going to farming now. So this is what is all about agriculture. So we must understand what is all about that. Right? Now what has got agriculture to do with it? It's got three parts. One is the primary activities, the secondary activities, and the tertiary activities. Okay, the tertiary activities. Now these are all interconnected to the social economic database of India or your country or wherever you are, or your state, whatever. It all goes to an economical calculation, so that's how it is done. So I'll come back in the next video and we'll start I'll give you a basic information about this secondary, tertiary, and primary activities. What is it, and what are the factors that influence agriculture? Okay, what is the relief conditions? What are the climatic conditions? The economic factors? Everything depends. Are all interrelated. You just cannot go through it, and it's all according to the climate and nature. Again, I said so. Different things you can cultivate at different seasons. Okay. So I'll come back in the next video and we'll do this.